Hey everybody, I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And together we are Fun King 3D, and welcome to this week's episode of Mailbag Monday. I think this is Mailbag Monday number 5.
Number 5.
I don't know that for sure though, so we might have just said it was 5 and it wasn't, but either way, this is now episode 5.
It might be 4.
So, no, I think we've already done 4, so. But anyway, so it's going to be a short episode. We've only got 2 things to open. 2. And yeah, so we'll get right to it. I mean, we're not even going to give you the fancy music intro today. We're just going to straight up start unboxing stuff. So pass that one over. This is from a Skewed 3D. They are based here in Florida with us, and this is now the second package that we've gotten from them, and we like it. We like the other stuff. If you missed that episode, I want to say that was 4, and they were kind enough to send us these among other things. So we have that guy right there, and then we have gun sword, and those are from Final Fantasy. I think it was Final Fantasy 8, but don't quote me on that. So
it might have been Final Fantasy 551, but
no, they'll get there one day. They haven't.
yeah.
They haven't gotten there. But yeah, if you guys haven't yet checked out a Skewed 3D's channel, there is a link in the description to go check out their YouTube channel. I will also throw a link in the description to their Thingiverse page where all of this stuff can be downloaded. So now when this box came, I was really excited. I said, ooh, we got a box of filament, but it was too light. Try not to make too much sound. Got some pillows for taking a nap later. Do not throw away. Not throw away. When I looked down in the box and I seen that, I thought those were 3.5-inch floppy disks, which would have been really funny because they kind of look like 3.5-inch floppies in there. Don't throw that away.
I think we should. Where does it say not to throw it away?
Every time Sholm sends me a package, I have a month's worth of paper towels.
Yeah, I'm kind of scared and excited at the same time.
Oh, I almost missed that.
Ooh.
They sent us another printed business card. It's cool.
Ooh.
All right, so we have a letter here. Oh, it's addressed to Zach. Zach's actually here right now. He's on the other side of that wall playing video games. Hello, Glenn, Xander, and Zach. Hope all is well. Enjoying your videos. Here's a few goodies for you. 3 different models we designed this year in our 3-a-week challenge. That's quite a challenge to take on. I have a hard time designing any models. One is finished. Mumra's dagger from the Thundercats. I haven't watched the Thundercats in a long time, and you have no idea what the Thundercats are, do you?
It's a cat with a lightning bolt on it.
2 are right off the MK3 for you guys to finish up how you like. Oh, that'll be fun. That'll be the first print I've ever touched off of an MK3. Should be fun little project for boys. Ooh, projects for you guys. Time to do some work. Also some vintage cards. Open if you like, but don't eat gum. That's what they are. Great to start collection or just enjoy. Have a great day. God bless. Sholman boys. 2 unfinished models are Mumra's sword and He-Man's sword. And I had to explain to Xander the other day who He-Man was, and I probably didn't do a good job, so I'm just going to have to show him some old episodes. So, I guess let's start with these first.
Wait, so there's gum?
Well, they're like trading cards, and it comes with these pieces of gum. They were like flat, square, and it was rock hard when it was fresh. And you know, after they've been around for a few years, they're actually quite terrible. Well, look at that. They even left the supports on for you to remove, because you love removing supports. So I'm going to go ahead and punch over to here. So you don't have to look at the side of my big
really
head.
Cool.
don't know if that focus is good. So let's. Oh, that's way better. So there is, and that would be Mumra's sword. That is definitely not He-Man's sword. And that was printed like this.
Woo!
So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, can't wait.
You wanna open one?
Yeah, can't wait to remove the supports. What is this wizardry?
Just tear through the paper towel right there.
Oh.
You want the knife?
No, I'm good.
It's the knife. Don't break it. No, don't. You can't tear the tape. You just.
Then what is tape used for?
Look, there. Well, it's for securing stuff, and you can't tear through it. That would be He-Man's sword right there.
Yay, more supports.
That is so cool.
Can I just throw this?
That is way cool. Let's bring you over here. Let's see if you can get you in the frame. There you go. That is way cool. By the power of Grayskull.
It's too small.
It didn't work for me.
It's too small.
You want to open that one?
Sure. Oh. No, I think this one is a little bit easier.
I'm intrigued by this. I'm going to go ahead and cut the tape on all of this. Or I'm going to stick my knife to the tape, one or the other. Yeah, that really did look like a 3.5-inch floppy disk drive stuck in there. That's
Ooh, fancy.
Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, so that's Mumra's dagger.
This is probably.
That's Mumra's sword. Okay.
It's probably a bad idea that I'm touching the blade.
No, I think you'll be all right with that one.
Okay.
You want to touch that one?
No. Don't stick that to my face.
Oh, we didn't. We gotta show that over here.
Oh.
People want to see it too. That is really cool.
Yep.
Good detail on the handle. It's got good weight to it. You have to let me know if that was printed solid. Not like Printed Solid, the company, but you know, solidly printed.
Okay. So these are cards.
They're trading cards. You know, like football cards, baseball cards.
Beetlejuice, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and Beetlejuice.
That's pretty cool. And trading cards always came with a piece of gum in it, and
don't eat it.
It was just rock hard. Like you'd eat it, and it would almost turn to dust in your mouth, and then eventually it would turn back into gum. But those are really cool. I don't know. I mean, these have to have some age behind them, and I'd almost be a little afraid to open them. So I don't know. We're gonna have to make that decision on whether or not we want to open them or just leave them in the package. But that is really cool, and we thank you tremendously for that. This is the kind of stuff. Not that we don't like printed stuff. We love printed stuff, but the occasional throw in of an odd item is always really cool. It's always really special to us because it's not something that we necessarily go out and get for ourselves. So
especially Beetlejuice cards.
So, you know, once again, show them. And boys, thank you guys so much. We appreciate it. That was an awesome box. So now we only have one more, and I actually already know what's inside of this, but I thought this was a fantastic way to talk about it, and it did come in the mail, so it technically still is Mailbag Monday. It's not Fan Mail Monday. It's Mailbag Monday, so we get to open anything that comes in the mail. Next week, we might open, you know, like a hearing aid ad here on the... Well, that's the kind of crap we get in the mail. But so I'm going to go ahead and cut this open, and I will tell you right now that I actually reached out to MeltInk and asked them if they would be interested in sending us a roll for evaluation, because they are right here in the state of Florida, and that was exciting to me to have a local manufacturer. Well, yeah, you always have to have a box in a box. They can't ship it like this. It's got a big hole in the side of it. But And I said to him, I said, of course, you know, you're kind enough to send us a roll of filament. You may pick any color that you choose to send to us, but we're a little partial to none other than yellow. And so they were kind enough to send us a roll of yellow. Now, I was instructed when we do the review on this to print something that requires durability. They claim that their PLA is all about being very durable, so we definitely want to uphold that. I haven't decided what we're going to do yet, but I'm thinking parts of a Daniel Norrie Formula One RC car will likely be printed with this, so because our car has to be black and yellow. So, but just real quick, very fantastically vacuum sealed. You can see that is super concaved. We've got a silicone pack in there. You can even see how hard it's sucked in around the whole entire spool. So
I'm still trying to figure out if we should open it.
Like open it?
No, open the
Oh,
cards.
all right. Let's focus, boy. Let's focus.
Fine.
So initial impression, definitely good packaging on this. I can't wait to see what the filament itself does.
Are you trying to pop it?
No, I'm not trying to pop it. That'd be almost impossible with my fingers. So, unfortunately, that's going to wrap up this week's Mailbag Monday. If anybody out there would like to send us something, our P.O. Box address is down in the description. If you would like to get one of our Fun King stickers, which I will send you one, show them. In fact, you know what? Better yet, I will hand you one in person on the 24th at Gainesville Maker Faire. But if you'd like to get one of our stickers, shoot us a self-addressed stamped envelope to that same P.O. box, and we will slip one in and mail it back.
Take a gun, put an envelope in it, and then with a self-addressed stamped envelope, and shoot it to us.
Wow. So anyway, see what I have to deal with every day of my life? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning into this episode of Mailbag Monday. If you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. And you know what? Even more important, if you like what we're doing, support some of the YouTubers that we support out there. Go out and visit some of our friends like James at Print and Play, Chris at Chris Riley, Chris's Basement, Thomas over at Arduino Makes. They would love to have your views as well. Otherwise, we'd appreciate a thumbs up. We'd love to have you back to our future videos. And as always, print on!